My people, no be small thing oo. I know that this Tobilobas coming back to the palace is going to bring katakata. Is going to bring serious katakata. I don't know whether all these things, this particular news now, we heard allegedly, whether it is true, but I must share with you. Don't forget that all the things I share with you here are all alleged information. But you see, Toby's coming back to the palace is not an alleged, because we saw the video when she was welcomed back with her twins. Yes. So, but there is this thing we are hearing. Olori Ashley, you know that yesterday that Tobiloba was welcomed back to the palace. Ashley, as we heard, was not around. This life no balance at all. Ashley was not around. Ashley went back to UK allegedly. I don't know whether is it that she went back to UK, or she just left the palace. She doesn't want anybody to know that she's around or something like that. I don't know, because what we heard was that she didn't even show face. Nobody saw her at that venue at the palace. She did not show face. She did not come to welcome Tobiloba. That she's happy that she's back to the palace finally. No. She did not come. It is only other Oloris, except Mariam, because Mariam on her own, Mariam said that she cannot go and welcome Toby, that Toby cannot deceive her. But the same Mariam, I don't know whether I would like to say Mariam is a hypocrite. I don't know if I should say it, because with what we are hearing, Mariam said that she cannot go and welcome Tobiloba. It's the same Mariam that have been going to Tobiloba's house, see Tobiloba. Even when Toby was at the Ikoyi, Mariam used to go and visit her to tell her that why not go and do DNA test so that Kabiyesi will welcome you back. And why are you say this? Why you do it? You know, trying to advise Toby, want to say she's sympathizing with her, you know. But I don't know. I don't know whether would I say Mariam is becoming two-faced. maybe we should give her two-faced too. Anyway, shall let us not waste our time. They said that Olori Ashley called Ooni of Ife's sisters to tell them what let's say she saw, I mean she heard. The thing is this: Tobiloba and the Tobiloba's family and the family of Kabiyesi, as we heard, they said that they planned together that Toby is not leaving the palace again. Okay, they said that it was Kabiyesi Kunemi that Ashley called, not Ooni of Ife's sisters. But Ooni of Ife's sister get to know about it and started blasting her, asking her, why would you do such a thing? Even if it is true, are you supposed to do it? You know that Kabiyesi now have twins from Toby. I don't know, is it now that they just believe that Kabiyesi have twins for Toby? Toby have twins for Kabiyesi. Are they just believing it, or are they just seeing it? Because all this time we have been hearing that Tobiloba Kabiyesi is not the father to these babies, this and that. Were they not hearing it? Abi, were they not seeing the person that came to the palace and said that she is the mother to the babies? All this time that they are talking about DNA test, does it mean that Tobiloba's sisters, Kabiyesi's sisters and Kabiyesi's family, are they not hearing it? Or is it what somebody said that Kabiyesi is desperate for children? Is it that thing that is about happening? Me, I don't know. So listen, we heard allegedly that Ashley called Queen Naomi and told Queen Naomi that she want to stay in the palace, like it's like she want to stay in the river, and the soap go enter her eyes. That if she thought that she's going to be the only one to be in the palace, that let her tell her on time. Let it not be as if nobody told her. That Toby is the one saying that she now inform you that there is this plan going on against you and the Tadenikawo. Because for all she understand, they say that Kabiyesi told all of them to leave the palace, that it is only you that is going to stay in the palace, and they are now at the Olori's quarter. But what she's hearing recently, if it is true, She did not say if it is true. Me, I'm the one that adding this one. That is adding this one. But if what I'm hearing is true, me myself, I'm not even happy to hear it. That Ashley was telling Queen Naomi that Queen Naomi should shine her eyes. Let it not be as if she's in the water and the soap enter her eyes. And the thing where she dey hear so, that Tobiloba family and Kabiyesi's family, that they came together and they said that there is no how a twins that have not entered the palace of Ile-Ife for the first time. It's not a palace of Ile-Ife as in kingdom, like Oduduwa palace. I don't know how they used to say that thing. For thousands of years, none of a wife of a king gave birth to twins. You understand what I'm saying? That this one now that finally give birth to twins, that there is no how the two families should stay and fold their arms and watch these babies, these twins, grows outside the palace. That if such a thing happen, that the gods are not going to be happy with them. Hey, my people, what I heard, I was like, I don't know whether what is this people planning? What is their plan? Kabiyesi should not disappoint Queen Naomi. Kabiyesi should not fuck Queen Naomi up. But if I'm to say, even if Kabiyesi try to fuck Queen Naomi up, let Queen Naomi help Kabiyesi and fuck Kabiyesi up this time. If it is true, yes. What I'm saying she should do is that she should not leave the palace for anybody again. Let her stand in that palace. Thank God she have the word of God. She have God as weapon. These people, if they go to Kayamata, the power of God that she's using will destroy their plans. So let her not lose guard this time around, though. She should not lose guard at all. She should stand firm, fight for her marriage, because you see that palace. Now Queen Naomi na get time. You see Kabiyesi, na Queen Naomi na get time. I don't know. There is no how anybody will come and say otherwise this time around. Even if this thing we are hearing is true, that Olori Tobiloba family and the Kabiyesi's family plan together to allow Tobiloba not to leave the palace. Anyway, I don't know whether Paropa will do such a thing. If they do it, na him be say, the person wey you think say you trust, you no trust again. No, that I used to say that don't you ever trust anybody for this life. Nobody worth trusting. Just trust your God. Only God you go trust. You no go fail you, because if you trust any man. So they said that Olori Kabiyesi's sisters called Ashley and started blasting Ashley, asking her, why would you reveal such a thing to Queen Naomi? What do you expect Queen Naomi to do? Do you want her to leave the palace again? You know, Ashley was like, why would you people plan such a thing against her? Guys, that is what I heard though. The thing is this, Tobiloba she just came back yesterday. She has not stayed a day, because if today finish, now it will be a day. Abi 2 days. Anyway, I don't know. Don't forget that all of these are all alleged information. Thank you. I love